Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to change your password on your Facebook account on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your Facebook account password on your iPhone, first open up the Facebook app on your phone, and after opening your Facebook app guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see the menu icon available for us. Simply tap on that menu icon, and over here guys at the top of the screen you can see the settings or the gear option available for us. Tap on that gear or settings icon, and over here guys at the settings and privacy of your account on your Facebook you can see the meta account setter option available for us. Simply tap in the see more in the account setter option available for us, and over here guys you can see your accounts linked to your meta over here. And in order to change your password guys, you can see the password and security option available for us just below the personal details. Tap on that password and security, and over here guys you can see the change password option available for us just above the two-factor authentication. Tap on that change password, and over here guys you can see the Facebook account available of yours. Tap on that Facebook, and after that guys you'll be required to enter your current password which you had entered or registered previously on your Facebook account, and after that enter your new password, and again retype your password over here guys for confirmation. And after doing this guys, you can see the change password option available or the blue button available for us. Simply tap on that change password button, and then your password on your Facebook account will be changed. And there guys, this is how you change your Facebook account password on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.